How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to withdraw money from Exness. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So much like with any banking app, be it real money or cryptocurrency, um, the process to withdraw funds from your account is quite simple, and once you guys have an account going, you're pretty much set. So to actually withdraw money from Exness, here's what you guys need to do. So there are two methods. You either go to Exness's official website, which is exness.com, like where I'm at right now, as you guys can see, or you can do withdrawals and deposit funds using the app. But in this case, we're going to use the website to withdraw money from our account. So as it reads, Exness offers a wide range of deposit and withdrawal options to cater to the diverse needs of its clients. Whether you prefer traditional methods such as bank transfers or the convenience of e-wallets, so this refers to cryptocurrencies and whatnot, Exness has got you covered. So let's take a closer look at the step-by-step process of depositing and withdrawing funds on Exness. So here's what it actually looks like if you guys are going to do this through the app. But like I said, in this case, we're going to withdraw money from the website. So what you guys need to do to actually withdraw from Exness is as follows. So withdrawing funds from your Exness account is just as easy as depositing. So number one, you're going to log into your Exness personal area. So basically your account. So this one here, once you've registered for an account, you've signed up, simply go to the homepage and click on sign in, like so. And once you guys find yourselves on this page, basically just enter your login credentials, and this should take you to your Exness dashboard. And once you guys are on your Exness dashboard, you want to click on the withdraw button. So it should be right there in your face among the other options. So from here, you select your preferred withdrawal method. So it can either be cryptocurrency, whatever type, or real money. And then you're going to enter the amount that you want to withdraw and basically just follow the on-screen instructions. And once you're through that, you're done. Simply review your details and confirm the withdrawal action. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we show guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.